Estragate, estragare.
Mina, where are you? Go for a walk. Oh my god. I told you I heard it go behind us. There's no way. How did he get out? What are you mad about? What are you mad? No, stop whining, Blue. Please stop. Blue, please stop. Stop.
Pues que empezaba a chico Martínez, pero apenas.
De culo da menos vértigo. Puta escalera. Puta escalera.
Mommy's falling asleep at the Twins game. What do you think?
Uno, dos y tres.
Ready, set,
¡Pues madre, perro!
Stella, do you not love your pajamas? Are you sad? You look pretty cute. No, you're not feeling it? Okay. Hey, look at all these wieners. Hi, wiener.
Okay. Butt smash!
What'd you do?
This type shit I be talking about.
Let's go.
Clarence.
Are you ready to go to school? Let's go.
Dragon. Молодец.
Razzle, dazzle, razzle, dazzle, razzle, dazzle.
Winston, I'm looking at you. Would anybody like to explain what has happened in my house? Winston? I had so many cute outfits planned for this year that I couldn't wear. So I just wanted to show you. See this? I love it. I couldn't wear it. Love it. Couldn't wear it. Then there's this. Love it. Couldn't wear it. Love it. Couldn't wear it. And this was supposed to be my cute costume, but no. Wasted.
Let her jump, let her jump. Oh, let her jump, Daddy, let her jump, Daddy, stop, let her jump.
Oh my!
Whisper. Good job, Whisper.
Hi, can I have a box combo with no coleslaw, extra fries, and 2 extra cane sauces?
Bro, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog. Good boy, look at him front teeth.
Oh. Oh, you look like an old man.
Is that what you want? We'll get you. One time.
You cuddling with Kevin or are you biting him? Oh my god, you're biting him!
Is that what you want? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Hold on.
Bozy, what do you think? Does that look like you?
What's that?
Stella, I gotta go to work. You gotta get up. Come on. Sally. Excuse me. Get up. Oh my God.
Popping out your pitcher. It's a great defensive play.
Didn't get enough speed that time.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Oh. Get her. Get her. You still on timeout? Can I get this belly? Oh. Oh, wait. What is that? Ew.
Oh, jump, Vi. Jump.
I roasted a fork in there.
Jump, Vi.
Mama.
She's like, whoa, 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 whoa.
No, I can pet.
Okay.
Stay. Good job, Z. That's very good.
Max, give me your paw. Give me your paw. Okay. Good little man up. Good little man up.
Situação. O que essa cachorra fez? Ela conseguiu.
Your turn.
Yep.
Oh, for this. Oh, for that.
See? Gypsy.
Chips.
Smile, Scrappy. Smile. Oh, hi, Scrappy. Hi. Hi.
You see the way I give my paw? Very demure. Very mindful. I'm not like you other dogs. I don't do too much. Like you. I don't put my paw up so high in the air. I'm cutesy with
But why is it not going?
Do you want breakfast?
You see it? You see it? Marcy, what am I going to put on?
This, and is it, this one's fine. Like but I have a suspicion it might have been this golden retriever. I know it's
Are you ready? Okay, are there any of us? I mean, Quavo, ready? Help. Go. Got it? That's it. Good boy. Hit it. Hit it.
Here goes chicken. Here goes pill. Here goes chicken. Here goes pill.
Polly, get down! Oh my God.
Come here. Sit. Good girl. Sit.
Oh, the drama. Stella. What happened today? Missed you.
Delivery right to your door. Order through the Chick-fil-A app where possible. Or our delivery partners.
What are you doing?
What my dog does when I talk in a different voice.
Hey Rex, what are you doing? What are you doing, doggy? Hey, come here there, doggy.
Ow!
Look at Suzanne.
Assistant Police Chief Cheney tells us they executed 2 felony search warrants at the suspect's home.
I got it already.
Did a great thing, they said. It'll be great, they said. God damn it, you'll... Oh!
Particularly if there's trauma. Rental abuse.
I love you.
Drop the steak. Get in the car.
What the fuck? Hey, Ronan, do you need a bath?
You need a bath, Bubba's?
Hey, I think you need a bath. Ronan.
Ronan.
It's bath time.
Yeah, you're all getting the hairs up on the...
Shut up! No! Yeah, we're gonna vacuum. You're vicious until it starts.
Here he is, look. Halloween ready, Mr. Spooky.
You ready? Oh, alright. We gotta get a stretch. Ooh, good stretch, dude. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. P for Papas. It's a Papa's party.
What is...
Leo! Leo! No! No!
What? I thought it was about you.
Hindi tayo nagtatagubor! Ako, bebe. Kamay ko yan. Wait lang. No.
I'm finding it. It take you that long?
Topaz, get in the shower. Listen to him. Get in the shower.
I'm still here. Good boy, keep going. Keep going.
Whisper, 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 whisper. Speak.
Go, Designer. You can go. You can go. Designer. You gonna make him walk all over here for a paw?
Where did you come from?
Oh, hell no. You laughing? I'm sorry. You trying to laugh?
Oh, hey, Gingy. It's been a while since you want to come in. No.
Danny! Oh my gosh. Were you a bad dog? Or were you a good dog? Which one is it? Oh my gosh.
What are you doing, baby? Are you walking yourself? You just look at here. Look at how cute you are. Come on.
Boy.
¡Pero si los pies! ¡Mira lo que hacen los pies!
Don't chew on my face. Winnie. Cut it out. Stop. I'm just...
Who's that?
Is that really nice?
Y la mujer me dice, ¡no! ¡Oh!
Go. Don't you try it. No. Ow!